Welcome to Mom's Heart. I'm Michelle and today we're making chocolate cream pie. Now I started by first getting my pie shell ready and it's set aside, it's already baked, and I'm going to be putting the hot filling right into that shell, but that's later. First of all, I get started by chopping the unsweetened chocolate. And I want it to be fairly fine because later I'm going to add this to the hot filling and I want it to easily melt into that filling. Once that's done, I will separate 3 eggs. I'll be using just the yolks for this recipe, so the egg whites will be put away into the refrigerator for a future project. Next, I'm getting a heavy saucepan. I'm putting in sugar, cornstarch, a little bit of salt, getting that stirred up, and then I will stir in the milk. This goes on medium-high heat, and I need to continue to stir so that milk doesn't scorch on the bottom of the pan. This is a little bit of a lengthy process, but continue because it will thicken and then it will be so nice. Once it thickens, it'll start to boil, and you'll boil that for about a minute. When this is done, you'll take it off the heat and you're going to be stirring your egg yolks while you add the hot filling. You want to do this fairly slowly so that you're not cooking those egg yolks and making scrambled eggs. Once that's mixed in, you'll return it all to the pan and it goes back on the heat to boil for another 1 minute. After that minute, you can remove from the heat, add your unsweetened chocolate, some butter, vanilla, and get that all stirred until smooth. Once it's stirred till smooth, you can get that pie shell back out and pour the filling into the pie crust. Once that's done, you'll let it cool for about 15 minutes. You'll come back, put a piece of wax paper over the chocolate filling, and that's going to keep skin from forming. You'll put that in the refrigerator, and once it's completely cool, you can whip cream. That's my favorite way to top it. I use about usually 1.5 cups of heavy whipping cream with a couple tablespoons of powdered sugar, and I'll whip that until it's stiff. And then I top the pie, and I like to garnish it with a little bit of chocolate. I just use a vegetable peeler and peel that right onto the top center of the pie. I really think you should give this recipe a try. It is fabulous. Once you try it, I think you'll find it's one of your regulars.